Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Casper Labs. What the heck? It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3,000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of Casper at the time of the recording, and let's see what it has been up to lately. So, guys, for those of you who do not know, Casper went through a hack and the price dropped. But, guys, I was really surprised that the drop wasn't as bad as the X handles and the people that were claiming that the price is going to be dropping and it is going to be plummeting, it's going to be crashing. It didn't happen that way, guys, because look at this. I've told you that the 2 cent mark is a crucial support level, and I'm really surprised because I also thought that the price is going to be crashing badly. But it might happen now, maybe, because maybe a lot of people do not know about the hack news. But I think that the initial blow that happened is sustained, and now Casper Labs is working on stuff and making people and assuring people and investors that everything is okay. So this might uh, basically consolidate the price, but we never know with crypto, guys. It might fall. We never know. It might rise. But still, the initial news, it didn't crash the price as much as I thought, guys. Just look at this. It just came down to 0.0867 because Casper is so undervalued already. I do not see how it can fall any further. It might do, obviously, guys. It can crash further if a lot of bad news occurs and a lot of people sell. But in my opinion, it is really, really undervalued at the moment in terms of its price overall chart, guys. Just look at this thing. Totally red. Even a hack news couldn't basically break it much more down towards the 1 cent area or 1.5 cent, maybe. So let's see. Now, guys, let's see what the heck is happening with Casper, guys. Let's see what the community is saying. Let's see what the Casper official X handle is saying. So let's see. So this is 7 hours ago, guys. Actually impressed. This is Tyler. Actually impressed how fast Casper responded to the hack. Let's see what the future holds. Still have a pretty fat bag. So yeah, the people are saying that it has responded well, and the price is also appreciating. I mean, consolidating. Casper, only 15 accounts have been affected 42 minutes ago. Casper security update responding to the July 26th breach. Casper blockchain security update, incident contained and recovery efforts. We're going to be looking this at it in a moment, guys. Just wait a bit. So yeah, Casper buy signal came through on the 4 hour. Let's see if this helps round out the daily one. Maybe this is a sign of where we will be headed once we are back online. Keep in mind they may pump it to get you to buy once back on to dump on you. So yeah, this is also a take on it, so that people might pump it and all of that stuff, and then it might dump again. So we never know. So yeah, let's see if this helps around the daily one. Maybe this is a sign of where we'll be headed once we are back online. So at the moment it is, I think, offline. So this has also maybe kept the price going. This might be a factor. This happens, guys. Yeah, I won't disagree with the ghost with the most. This happens when the price pumps and suddenly people start selling again. So you have to be careful when this happens. Yeah. Casper security breach update. Casper Association is confident that the extent of the security breach is limited to under 15 accounts. Consensus and validation will resume once a patch is released and staged by validators. So this is 2 hours ago. On July 26, 2024, a security breach on the Casper blockchain was detected. Casper team community performed immediate actions and including halting consensus and developing a patch, discover the steps taken to resolve the issue and secure the network. So let's see what steps they have taken, guys. Let's see what Casper has to say. Casper security update on the July 26th breach. Dear Casper community, this is an update on the security incident which was detected on the Casper blockchain or on Friday, 26th July 2024. By the way, guys, I'm going to be showing you another post from Tokenizer in a moment as well, an important post over here. He has also analyzed the situation in a moment. So let's see this. A security breach on a limited number of accounts was detected on 26th July 2024. The Casper team identified the issue and is delivering a solution. The Casper blockchain was halted by a decision of the validator community to contain the breach. So basically, to contain the breach, they wanted to make sure to take the right steps. The update to the Casper blockchain will be made available to the validator community once testing is complete. The validator community will then resume running consensus and restart producing blocks. So this is the description. In the early morning hours on Saturday, 27 July 2024, it became clear that tracing and recovering those misappropriated funds may become difficult without immediately preventing further dispersion. A subset of validators joined in coordination to halt the consensus and block production to enable a patch to be thoroughly tested before staging an update to the Casper blockchain. Okay. Okay. By the way, according to this post, that limited number of accounts had been targeted to obtain CSPR without proper authorization. 15 accounts to be precise. Check this out. At this point, the Casper Association is confident that the extent of the security breach is limited to under 15 accounts. But guys, be it 15 accounts or more, I think that they should take proper measures and mechanisms to basically secure the funds of investors and people alike. Even 15 accounts, I think. What about these 15 accounts? I mean, are they being recompensated or anything like that? I mean, I do not know about these 15 accounts. What are these accounts? I mean, does this belong to exchange or people or what? A post-mortem will be available after resolution, and any code change will be published in Casper's public GitHub repository. So guys, let's see what Tokenizer has to say about this hack. The Casper community is active and everyone is analyzing it according to their own perspectives. By now, many of us have heard the Casper hack. There isn't much info to go off of what exactly happened, but I've dug the largest transactions on Casper prior to the network stopping. Good news is that the network is back up and running, but I want to share my honest thoughts on what I think this means for Casper and the way forward. It is obvious that this is bad. Obviously, guys, this isn't good. Hack isn't good. I mean, your security was breached, basically. And it's obvious that it is bad. No other way around it. The network simply failed on the security aspects. True, but does this mean it is over for Casper Network as a blockchain company? Well, let's look back to a few other hacks. Ethereum, back in the 2017 bull run, we saw Ethereum get hacked via the infamous DAO hack. Yes, the number one layer 1 chain was also hacked at some point. Here's the TLDR. The DAO was a complex smart contract. Hacker finds vulnerability in the smart contract. Hackers request funds from contract via exploit. Hackers stole 3.6 million Ethereum, $70 million at the time. Eventually, the Ethereum community had to decide on whether to continue on after the hack to commit to the purpose of immutability or to roll back to prior to the hack. So basically, what you want to do, go back to prior to the hack, or what do you want to do? In return, this divided the Ethereum community into two, and today we have Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. The latter is the one which had rejected the fork, whereas the former is now the hard fork, which had the stolen funds returned. And as we can see today, Ethereum still reigns supreme in adoption, use, price, and even dollar wasted on gas. Okay, Solana, I don't think I need to say too much about this one. It tends to shut down a lot. And while it is arguably not as bad as hackers stealing money, it is definitely not a good sign for the decentralized aspects of blockchain, though this hasn't stopped Solana as well. As far as Hedera is concerned, this one's arguably most relatable to Casper just due to how they're both enterprise focused DLTs. Though the methodology of theft in this case was likely a little different, the hackers had targeted liquidity pools on multiple dexes on the hash graph, like SaucerSwap, Pangolin, and HaliSwap. So basically, much like Casper, the executive decision behind the Hedera was to shut the network down to resolve the issue. Once a solution was found and deployed, Hedera Council members were to sign transactions to deploy the updated code and remove vulnerability. So uh, basically, according to this post, that a lot of other good blockchains have also been hacked, and this isn't the end of a blockchain, even if it is hacked or it is vulnerable, but they have to take good decisions going forward. So check this out. While the details on what exactly occurred in the hack are still vague, it is good that things are now resolved. This definitely raised my concerns a bit on Casper, but certainly not enough to give up on them. Yeah, it is not good. I agree for 100% with Tokenizer that obviously this isn't good. But until I see IBM, Actus, and other industry leaders stop discussing DLT and AI innovations with Casper, I'll still believe that they are building the right way in DLT. Just as a reminder, none of this thread has anything to do with price whatsoever. What I'm discussing here is the network and business of Casper itself. It is time for Casper to come back to life. So, guys, what do you guys think about this hack, and what is your say in it? Do you think that Casper will recover from this point onwards in terms of business, in terms of company, in terms of innovation? Or do you think that, yeah, like a lot of people are saying that, yeah, it is dead and everything of that sort? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.